In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table view in Monday.com like a pro. Monday.com is a fantastic platform for organizing and managing your team's workflow. One of its core strengths lies in its versatility, and creating custom views like a table view is an excellent way to tailor your project management experience to suit your team's unique needs. To get started, open up the board within Monday.com where your data resides. This is the board where you want to enhance visibility and manipulate your data through the table view. Navigating to your relevant board is an essential first step because that's where all your current data can be found and managed in one place. Now, let's add that new view. At the top of your board, you're going to see a button labeled Plus Add View. Click on this button to trigger a drop-down menu. From this list, select the Table option. By choosing this, you're telling Monday.com that you wish to present your data in a structured table format. The table view is an excellent tool for those who appreciate detail and want all information systematically laid out, making it easier to interpret and analyze. Once you've established your table view, it's time to customize it. This feature allows you to adjust which columns are visible, giving you the flexibility to prioritize the data that's most relevant to you. You can also sort, filter, or group your data. Each of these functions helps to highlight what's crucial in your workflow. Sorting data can help in arranging information chronologically or by priority. Filtering allows you to zero in on the most pertinent data, cutting out any clutter. And grouping data can give you a quick overview by category such as status or assignee, ensuring you have a clear picture of your workload distribution. After customizing your table view, the next step is to save it for future reference. Renaming your table view is a helpful way to ensure quick access later. You'll want to give it a name that clearly represents the data it contains, aiding in easy retrieval for both you and your team. Additionally, if you feel this view could benefit your colleagues, share it with them. This can be accomplished through the sharing features within Monday.com, allowing your teammates to stay on the same page, enhancing collaboration and consistency across your projects. And there you have it. Creating a table view in Monday.com is a straightforward process that, when done right, can significantly streamline your project management. Customize it to match your needs, keep your team informed by sharing insights, and enjoy the enhanced clarity and efficiency that comes from a well-organized workspace. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial both informative and easy to follow. Happy organizing!